Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of innovation, performance, and design, then today's video is one you won't want to miss. Lenovo's latest lineup is here, and trust me, it's a game changer. This is the Lenovo 2025, a whole new level of computing that promises to reshape the way we think about laptops. Whether you're a creator, a student, or someone who needs power on the go, Lenovo has really outdone themselves this time. Let's dive in. At first glance, you can already tell the Lenovo 2025 isn't your average laptop. We're talking ultra-slim bezels, a stunning 4K OLED display, and the kind of build quality that feels like a piece of luxury tech. The chassis is made from premium aluminum, which gives it a robust yet light feel. But the real magic happens under the hood. Lenovo has integrated next-gen processors that are faster, more efficient, and, dare I say, built for the future. Powered by Intel's latest 13th gen chipsets and coupled with NVIDIA's newest GPU, you're not just getting a laptop, you're getting an experience. Performance is absolutely off the charts. Whether you're editing 4K video, running complex simulations, or gaming on the side, this machine handles it all like a breeze. No stuttering, no lag, just pure, uninterrupted power. Now, if you're into ultra-fast connectivity, Lenovo has really gone all in with 5G support, Wi-Fi 6E, and Thunderbolt 5. That means you can download a movie in seconds or hook up multiple high-res monitors without breaking a sweat. Multitasking at its finest, this setup is ideal for remote work, design studios, or anyone who needs a super responsive workspace. But wait, there's more. Lenovo has also pushed the envelope with battery life. With its optimized power management, you're looking at up to 18 hours of use on a single charge. That's insane for a machine this powerful. Plus, Lenovo has integrated AI-based features that help preserve battery life by adjusting settings based on your usage patterns. So, if you're just browsing the web or reading emails, it'll stretch those hours even further. The typing experience on the Lenovo 2025 is also top tier. The keyboard has a tactile feel, and the trackpad is silky smooth, making long typing sessions more comfortable. And if you're into voice assistants, Lenovo has also integrated their own AI assistant. You can use voice commands to launch apps, control settings, and even schedule tasks, making the whole experience a lot more hands-free and futuristic. To wrap it all up, the Lenovo 2025 is the perfect blend of power, design, and cutting-edge tech. Whether you're an everyday user or someone who demands serious performance, this laptop is built for the future. So, if you're thinking about upgrading, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming tech reviews. See you next time.